What's up guys, it's me Geek. So what about the equalizer? Yes, this phone even have a custom equalizer. Go to the setting, go to the sound. Once you at the sound, click the Dolby Atmos, and from here and then okay, click this music, movie smart, open off. You can easily check off some of this you want and restore to default setting. Cannot be disabled in speaker mode. Okay, music, this is the equalizer. Open, intelligent, focus. Yeah, normally I just like to click on the reach. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe.